You might be downloading a fake Sora app right now. Here's how to spot it. Over a dozen fake Sora apps flooded app stores after OpenAI's official launch, with names like Sora 2, and scammers have already made over $160,000 from unsuspecting users. These imposter apps are often older apps that suddenly change their names to include Sora or Sora 2 inches right after the official launch. Most claim to be AI video generators but deliver nothing close to the real technology. The real Sora app is invite-only and exclusively from OpenAI. Any app claiming to be Sora 2 or an alternative version is definitely fake. Always check the developer name and read reviews before downloading anything. Click on the link in bio to instantly convert trending articles into viral videos like these for free.